On sait tous que frapper des longs coups de départ, c'est intéressant, ça impressionne, les amis sont heureux, on se tire la pipe, mais c'est sur les verts que les grandes parties de golf se disputent ou se perdent. Avec moi, Scotty Cameron, qui est le maître des fers droits, le maître des putters. Mr. Cameron, some of us never were able to master the art of putting, but you mastered the art of creating putters. What's new with this new project that you had?
Well, as you say, the art of putting, art of putting to me is where you take the player, affects the putter, affects the golf ball. So the art of putting is getting all those to work together. So in my studio, the art of putting is working with the players to fit them towards putters for ultimate ball performance. This new putter, we've been able to take the center area and make that aluminum for a softer feel, but the weight distribution is lighter. Then we're able to enhance that similar to the midsection's aluminum and the outer shell. So we have our perimeter weighting, but we have our feel. Before we put this together, we have a vibration dampening system called Dynamic Vibration Composite. And it goes in here, and the steel doesn't touch the aluminum, but it goes together. So the insert is the sole, and the sole is the sight line. Enables me to get the perimeter weighting. What does that do for me? Less resistance to twist, so if I hit off-center hits, less twist. Better feel, better performance, and the bigger the head, the longer the lines. So I can line up a horizontal line or a vertical line. Doesn't matter which one you like best, you have both for alignment purposes.
You've sold more than 11 million of those putters, every one that you've created over the years. Does that mean that when you get on a green, you never three-putt?
I'm always tinkering. I'm always looking for a better tool, just like every golfer wants to become better, wants to understand why, how, what if. I have all the same questions you guys do, but I have the tools to answer those questions, so I'm always experimenting. How can I do it better?
And how can I do it better? I have your club in my hands. When I address the ball, is there something that you can teach besides the club to make me use it at its optimal value?
Absolutely. There's things in here when you look at a Cameron putter that isn't in everything. It looks right, it feels right. There's little things. I mean, like the block in the back here looks square, but it's actually domed. It melts into the ground. The face, it's domed. I want it to look soft, moving, and melting into the ground. You wouldn't pick that up. For example, the aluminum piece here, we have the mill marks there. What does that do? Subconscious, everything's in alignment. The shaft bend, it's 3 degrees back, 9 degrees over at a full shaft offset. What does that do for you? You don't know it, but you're aligning this easier, better, and more effective without even knowing you are. So the design stuff that's put into this, you're not going to know it, but when you look down at it, you're going to know well made, and it could work for me better.